Hey guys, welcome back to Campbell Workshop. It seems like it has been a long time that I have shared my tools with all of you, and I've received messages from time to time about them. Here comes the 2025 version. Tweezers. The one I've been using is called the Precision Tweezers. My first pair is made in Japan, bought in Hong Kong. However, you can get very similar ones on eBay. You can see the Japanese one has a closer tip than the eBay one, so it grips better. I have to say, even they are very similar, the feeling is a bit different. I do prefer my Japanese one a bit more. To maintain my tweezers, I will use my scalpel to scrape the glue off. And straighten the tips with a pair of pliers. If you decide to progress in paper flower making, a pair of good tweezers is really good investment. The second one is my small pair of embroidery scissors. I have lots of people inquiring my pair of scissors too. It is from Fiskars in Finland, 5 inches embroidery scissors. Probably not the cheapest pair of scissors, but it has lasted me for 5 years and many more coming. Highly recommend for how sharp and pointed it is. The third one will be Silicone Brush. I have this for a long time when I was trying to make some silicone molds, and only now I've been using them for applying glue. They are great for applying PVA glue on small area, and you don't need to clean as well. You just need to peel the glue off after drying, and it's like new again. Save you from destroying many hairbrushes, and they don't eat into your glue like the hairbrushes. Save you some glue too. The fourth one is the Rowney brushes. For some reason, I haven't think of investing in brushes until this year. I bought my first 3/4 flat wash brush. All my other brushes definitely doesn't last that long as well. Would definitely get a few more small brushes to see how I get on. You can really get into the creases of the crepe paper for a much better finishing. The fifth one will be a frog. Because of the MEA project, it got me into the Ikebana style, and I finally bought my first frog. It is very helpful in holding the paper flower in shape and style, and much flexible in display. I think my one is very big and heavy for paper flowers. Mine is the 2.9 inches, so try to get yourself something smaller. Last one will be the tubes. To go with the frog, I've decided to use a piece of short tube at the bottom of the flower stem, so the tube is slot into the frog pin easily. The tubes come in different sizes, and you can simply wrap to the wire stem. Let me know if you have any other tricks to fix your paper flowers onto a frog. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you'll find your perfect tool. If you like it, please don't forget to comment, subscribe to our channel, and it will really help our channel to grow. Stay tuned for our latest tutorials, and all of our DIY kits and templates are available on our website. Check them out. See you guys next time.